Love it or hate it, there's no doubt that snow transforms the landscape with big impacts on people's lives, for better or worse. It's no wonder that so many of us are obsessed with the white stuff. The problem is, snow is notoriously difficult to predict in a temperate climate like the UK. Like boiling the perfect runny egg, the situation can be very finely balanced. When it comes to predicting snow, a change in temperature of just 1 degree can mean the difference between this and this. But this small temperature change is also determined by other factors. The air tends to be colder on hilltops. A village at 300 metres may be cut off by snow, whilst a neighbouring village at sea level just gets rained on. Proximity to the sea also matters for an island nation like the UK. Seas and oceans have a moderating influence on climate, keeping us milder in the winter and cooler in the summer than would be the case if we were in the middle of a continent. Sometimes, just a few miles inland from the coast can be the difference between rain and snow. The intensity of the precipitation, rain, sleet or snow, is crucial. Water needs energy to evaporate, which it takes from the surrounding environment. That's why we feel colder when we're wet. Droplets of water on our skin evaporate and steal heat energy from our bodies. The same happens when it rains. Rain evaporates as it falls and takes heat out of the atmosphere. The longer and harder it rains, the more cooling takes place. If the temperature is already close to zero, enough cooling can result in snow. And what about the timing of the snow? If it arrives early in the morning following a frosty night, it can settle and disrupt the rush hour. A couple of hours later, the roads may have warmed up with the snow melting on impact. And of course, when snow arrives in the form of showers, just like rain showers, these can be very hit and miss. Imagine this part of the UK is affected by showers, with temperatures just above freezing. This village avoids the showers and stays dry. This coastal town just gets rained on. This hill gets 10 centimetres of snow. And this busy road initially gets heavy rain, which makes it colder, before 5 centimetres of snow settles and results in disruption to the evening rush hour. That kind of disruption could equally have happened anywhere within this area. So, to raise awareness, a severe weather warning was issued. But for any single location within the warning area, it may be a risk of disruption and not a guarantee. Ultimately, subtle differences in altitude, distance from the sea, precipitation intensity or timing, and location of showers can have a big impact on whether or not the landscape and our lives are briefly transformed.